What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hi, I'm Shay, and this is my son.
Terrell.
Tell him what up.
What's up?
So we're gonna do this mukbang. Sorry for shaking, guys. But he keep hitting the table. We're gonna do this mukbang. We got some, what's this? Little Caesars, and I got some breadsticks here and some dipping sauce. And we're gonna do a mukbang and just talk to you guys. I haven't made a video in a while, but we have a twist to our mukbang. Our twist to our mukbang is whenever I say pineapple, my son, that's not so cooperative, if you guys can see his face, has to stop eating. He has to freeze in midair. Whether he's itching his eye, putting food to his mouth, chewing, he has to stop until I let him eat again. So let's get started. You can eat, son. So what have you guys been up to? Me? I've been working, chilling, you know, doing everyday thing. How you guys holding up during the corona? Good, I hope. So good. This is a 3-meat deep dish. He's eating a pep. Why are you not eating? Go ahead, son. Enjoy your food. Marinara. So good. Go ahead, eat. Eat! See what I gotta go through? See what I gotta go through. Eat. You really gonna do this? He's being an asshole. Would you fucking eat the pizza? If you're new here, could you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell for any post notifications to notify you when I upload a new video. I'm going to get consistent, guys. I just work so much. I have a pain in the butt right here that really is my pain in the butt. So good. Pineapple. I said pineapple. You have to freeze. Really, Julian? You really gonna keep chewing it? I'm not playing with you. And you gonna keep chewing. Are you shitting me?
What?
I said pineapple. You gonna mess up my video for real.
What?
Wow. This is not a good sport. At all. And he keeps chewing. You just hurt my feelings. You couldn't do this one challenge with me. Really? So you couldn't do this one challenge with me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Anybody looking for a new mama, comment down below. Because I'm about to get rid of his ass. Real shit. He's not fun. He's boring as fuck. He don't ever want to do nothing. He's a pain in the fucking ass. He can't. Go ahead, eat your food. No, I play. Sorry, guys. I thought this was going to be a fun challenge. I thought that my son would do something with his mother that's fun. But no. Eat. Go ahead. Pineapple. Little bastard. It's not nothing. They gotta make it so difficult. So, are you kids ready for the summer? Hot weather. I'm ready for it. I'm ready to swim. Me and my son love to swim. I'm ready to go to the beach again, to Fugitive Beach in Missouri when it's really, really hot. We went on a little rainy day, no sun. My niece had an attitude. Shout out to Brianna. But we still had fun. I think my most fun part was the car trip. Men in the car. If you guys haven't seen it, it's been a couple videos down there. Beach day, Fugitive Beach. So we're gonna go again this summer. And all the assholes can stay at home. Look how big these sausages are. They're huge. Pineapple. Don't he look so cute, pros, like that? Just so adorable. Mommy's little angel. So good. You can eat. You ready for the summer, son? You love going swimming. He love the water. He ain't even a Pisces. He's born April. He's what are you? Taurus. Ain't that the bull?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just seen the Taurus part of him come out when we first started filming this video. He is something else. He's not actually his attitude and stuff. He get it from me because his daddy is like a gentle giant. He's so sweet and he's calm, and even when he's mad, you can't tell for real. He the opposite. They look alike though. Pineapple. I feel like sit there and marinate. Sorry for the background noise. My stepson watching TV. My husband watching TV. Okay, you can chill it. Look at him shaking his head. He really didn't probably even want to do this video, y'all, but I forced him to do it. We don't do anything fun together. He's always in his room or at his dad's or his godmama's house. When he come down, he ignores me. He used to love me. He used to be under me. He used to be a good kid. Now he don't pay me no attention. He don't love me. You love me? I love you too. He ain't doing this video because he loves me. You know, if y'all got teenagers, you have to force your teenagers to do something with you. I don't know why parents gotta do that. You gotta force them to interact. My mom didn't have to force me when I was a teenager. But I wasn't at home that much. I was popping it, dropping it, and rolling it. That's how I got him. Got pregnant at 17, and I had him at 18. I thought his birthday was gonna be in March like mine, but no, April. So I mean, he got a birthday coming up. He's gonna be 17 years old. What you gonna do for your birthday? What you wanna do?
I really just want to get a hotel and get like 4 people.
You can do that.
Stay for the weekend.
Stay the night.
Can I stay the weekend?
I'm not paying for 2 days.
It's my birthday.
What that mean?
And then on the second day, I want to go to the edge to go kart.
Okay, you can still leave the hotel and go karting.
Yeah, but
Stay on a Friday night, leave Saturday morning, and go karting.
And then
Come here,
go
come
back.
say hi to the
I
vlog.
want to stay for a weekend though, so we can go back to the hotel and stay one more night.
I think about it as long as you don't piss me off. And it's only gonna be 4 people, not a fucking room full of people. Tell him what up. They call him Cam, my nephew. He's my stepson. His name is, I always say his name wrong. I say Kelvin. But what's your name?
Kelvin.
Didn't I just say that? Put your head in the video.
Kelvin.
Oh, scoot back.
Kelvin.
How do
That's how
I,
you say it. Kelvin.
what do I say?
Kelvin.
So it's Calvin?
Kelvin.
Kelvin, bro.
Kelvin?
Yes.
What's the difference?
A whole lot different. You saying it without the L.
So you got an L in your name.
Yes.
You bullshitting.
Okay.
This whole time, he got an L in his name.
Yeah.
What the hell? Why you just didn't tell me that? You just kept correcting me.
Kel. It's right there.
It's right there.
I've never
L.
seen his name spelled out. Baby, I did not know Kevin had an L in his name.
Yeah.
Because you know you can spell Kevin without an L.
Yeah, Kevin.
Right.
Right, but I've been calling him Kevin. And it's, let me say it again. Kelvin.
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 Yep.
Kelvin. Hey,
What's my
Kelvin.
brother's name?
It's like I'm just not me.
What's my brother's name?
Melvin?
The other. The one I built.
Kevin. Now his name is Kevin.
It's Kelvin.
So both of y'all names got L's?
Yes.
I didn't know that. I swear I didn't. I'm full, yeah. I didn't know. Well, this is my stepson. He the baby of the family, y'all.
I'm grown.
He the runt. The boy 15 years old. He not grown. He think he is, but he's
Yeah,
not.
though. Yeah, you don't have to
I don't know why he think he grown, but he think he the shit. He is the shit. He my favorite out of all of them. I don't know why he gets on my nerves.
That's the earring. That's the earring.
Ain't no light.
Show him the bling bling. They
I
got
don't got mine on.
Kevin do. Look at the bling bling.
That's the hand mine on. Don't
You
rub my.
see, you see what I gotta go through? Gotta go through with them. They need fades, a regular handsome haircut. Well, you see he done, so I can't torture him anymore because he messed up at the beginning of the video like he always do.
I can't open the door.
But if you like this video, subscribe. Give me your Instagram.
Lil Boogie 21.
That's your Instagram for real? You changed your name?
Lil Boogie 21.
Lil Boogie 21. What's yours, Kevin?
_.4 by Kelvin.
_.4 by Kevo. Is it the number 4?
Full block.
Oh,
Full
for block.
Kelvin.
Kevo. You guys, all my social medias will be in the description bar down below. Once again, thank you guys for watching, supporting. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Tell them bye, Coco.